Welcome to CDG Inspection, your trusted partner in global inspection and certification services. As a leading inspection body worldwide, we specialize in offering comprehensive testing services that meet international standards. One of our premier services is BS 5852-2006 inspection, ensuring the fire safety of upholstered furniture. BS 5852-2006 inspection services provide peace of mind for manufacturers, suppliers, and consumers. Our experts meticulously test furniture samples against ignition sources such as cigarettes and match flames. Equipped with advanced technology, we ensure accurate and reliable results every time. BS 5852-2006 inspections are essential for furniture used in residential, commercial, and hospitality spaces. Our services help your products comply with global fire safety standards, making them market-ready worldwide. We prioritize our clients, offering customized solutions tailored to their specific needs. Our transparent process ensures you stay informed at every stage of the inspection. With CDG Inspection, you benefit from trusted accreditation and years of industry expertise. Our dedicated support team is always ready to assist you with your queries and requirements. Partner with CDG Inspection to enhance the safety and quality of your products. Visit our website, www.cdginspection.com, to learn more and make an inquiry today. CDG Inspection, your trusted partner in fire safety compliance 7.